16th of May onwards, we'll probably announce the date that we're going to release this new CC cream. This is the formula.
In one together.
Got foundation,
Got
anti-aging, and got sunblock.
Yeah.
So this SPF what?
30.
30. So this is the CC cream over here. Let's show you how it works, okay? Maybe I don't even know how much to apply, man.
Little bit.
Is the smell really going to be like that?
Yes, very nice, right? Just a bit like.
It smells like ice cream, you know? Oh, it smells like ice cream, eh?
个 dot
Okay, 3个 dot 哪里？
dot 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 and then.
啊，这样少都可以哦。
可以。
3个 dot 而已，一个 pump。
Okay. Then 你 blend 你 try 给
哦、one side 来的啊。
给他
老公，你碰碰我的脸。
你给他们 compare.
Okay, come guys, I'm going to. Okay, compare the left side, right side.
Yeah.
Oh, very natural.
Natural, huh?
Oh my god. Okay, guys, I tell you something. I already你笑我哈. Okay, I already applied my sunblock, which already made my face very fair already. So now when I apply this CC cream further, guys, sorry, my lighting today is no good. I'm not in my own home. Okay, so when I apply here, can you all see it's still one shade lighter than this side?
Yes.
擦到我的鼻子. Can you all see it's one shade lighter than my this side, you know? How's the texture? Matte feeling. It's a mattified feeling. Matte feeling. Smell. At first when you light it, it smells like ice cream. It smells like ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, not sticky. It has a mattifying feeling. Okay, yes, I see your forehead lines reduced one side. Lesser, like smoother, guys. Like smoother. Hey, I like it. There's this shiny glow to it.
Yes.
Huh? 是吗?
Yes.
What? So there's a shiny glow to it?
Yes.
Guys, you all must stay tuned for this one, okay? The packaging won't be like this. It'll be beautiful this way.
Yes. One sample.
Then you're going to print some things on it.
Yes, same like our NMN
It will look like this, okay, guys? Okay? So that means moving forward, I'll be using this also. So CC cream is act as a, not only does it give your face nutrition, it also acts as a sunblock, and also
anti-aging, like your
and protection also,
yeah.
and also as a foundation.
Yeah, all in one.
And it doesn't clog out the pores.
Yes.